Hey everyone, Gil here at Gray Man Prepping. Well, I got a mail call and a couple unboxings. Yeah, so I went to the post office because finally got a notification that my uh, Baker Creek order had arrived. So I went down there, got it. When I got back just in time for the Amazon guys to show up. And in here, just had a zip tie on it. Anyway, so let's open this up here. Make sure I got everything out of this one here. All right. Well, this isn't actually bagging. This is an envelope. So this is a mail call. All right. So I got 2 packages of seeds from them. Got that one there, which is the Zucchino Ram, whatever, how to pronounce it. And then I have got the long Denise squash, which is similar, a different color. Both of them, the seeds are down in the bulges on the end. This one seems to have more seeds in it. Let's see. Yeah, 15 seeds here, 20 seeds here. So, yeah, so these are going to be 2 ones I'm going to try to grow out here in my yard. And I may do a couple of them up to send across the street to my daughter to plant over in her garden as well. So that's the mail call. And what do we got? And they were let me look at it right here. Interesting. On the receipt here, they don't give the name. I'll get it. Because it's a summer squash seeds, winter squash seeds. All right, so these are summer squash, and the other ones are winter squash. So, all right. Well, let's go for this one here first. First, let me dig out the everyday carry here. There we go. Get this one here opened up. Of course not. There we go. Yeah. So I got a little resin UV bonding kit to work on the grow lights. The aluminum shrouds that come with the grow lights like to slide, and when I go to mount them vertically, like I'm going to do for the tomatoes, they'll just slide right out and won't be reflecting it back at the plant. So I got this to put a couple drops of resin in there and harden it up, and that'll take care of that little problem. Now, the other box, which is a lot lighter even. It's kind of strange that this box here, I'm not sure what this count. Okay, this box was bigger than the previous box. This one they could have gotten away with a bag. No packing inside. And I got some more little button batteries of a different size that I didn't have before because I had something else here that the battery went dead on. So I got the batteries here. And this was cheaper than buying one at Ace Hardware. So I got 5 of them, so it'll last time. It'll last some time. All right, there we go. So that's what I got today. Got more stuff coming tomorrow to go with those insulators I did a couple days ago. So, all righty. Get ready for garden season. It's time to plant. And so, yeah, in fact, all 3 of these have to do with gardening stuff here because what this goes into is an item to help me with the gardening. So, gardening time, folks. Have you planned out your garden? We just did a live stream over on Camp Patton Family Compound about planning your garden.